Only 1% can solve this. Easy mode. Name a country that starts with the letter C. Canada, Chile, and Croatia. Name a fruit that starts with the letter M. Mango, melon, and mulberry. Name an animal that starts with the letter E. Elephant, eagle, and elk. Name a color that starts with the letter G. Green, gold, and gray. Name a vegetable that starts with the letter C. Carrot, cabbage, and cauliflower. Name a country that starts with the letter A. Australia, Austria, and Argentina. Name a sport that starts with the letter B. Basketball, badminton, and boxing. Name a job that starts with the letter D. Doctor, designer, and driver. Name a city that starts with the letter R. Rome, Riyadh, and Rotterdam. Name a food that starts with the letter P. Pizza, pasta, and pancake. Medium mode. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe now, support our channel, and never miss exciting videos, quizzes, and updates. Name an animal that starts with the letter F. Fox, frog, and falcon. Name a country that starts with the letter N. Norway, Nepal, and Nigeria. Name a fruit that starts with the letter L. Lemon, lychee, and lime. Name a color that starts with the letter O. Orange, olive, and ochre. Name a vegetable that starts with the letter B. Broccoli, beetroot, and beans. Name a job that starts with the letter T. Teacher, technician, and tailor. Name a sport that starts with the letter C. Cricket, cycling, and climbing. Name a city that starts with the letter S. Sydney, Seoul, and Stockholm. Name a food that starts with the letter R. rice, ramen, and risotto. Name an animal that starts with the letter H. Horse, hippo, and hamster. Hard mode. Name a country that starts with the letter M. Malaysia, Mexico, and Morocco. Name a fruit that starts with the letter P. Papaya, pineapple, and peach. Name a color that starts with the letter V. Violet, vanilla, and vermilion. Name a vegetable that starts with the letter S. Spinach, squash, and sweet potato. Name a job that starts with the letter S. Scientist, singer, and surgeon. Name a sport that starts with the letter F. Football, fencing, and formula racing. Name a city that starts with the letter B. Berlin, Bangkok, and Barcelona. Name a food that starts with the letter C. Cake, curry, and croissant. Name an animal that starts with the letter B. Bear, buffalo, and butterfly. Name a country that starts with the letter J. Japan, Jordan, and Jamaica. Insane mode. Name a fruit that starts with the letter A. Apple, apricot, and avocado. Name a color that starts with the letter T. Teal, turquoise, and tan. Name a vegetable that starts with the letter O. Onion, okra, and olive. Name a job that starts with the letter P. Pilot, plumber, and photographer. Name a sport that starts with the letter J. Golf, gymnastics, and gliding. Name a city that starts with the letter M. Madrid, Melbourne, and Milan. Name a food that starts with the letter S. Sandwich, soup, and salad. Name an animal that starts with the letter L. Lion, leopard, and llama. Name a country that starts with the letter G. Germany, Greece, and Ghana. Name a fruit that starts with the letter B. Banana, blueberry, and blackberry. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.